guys. Ito na guys. Ito guys. Ang init guys. Gusto ko makita niya. Part 1, part 2 na ito. So guys, sabi ko na part 1 like, subscribe, and learn about more and follow me on TikTok. And don't forget comment and share. Hey now! Or that. But before we Hey! Wow! Naglalagay ang guys. Joke! That's not even moving. Got it right? Yes, you will risk it because you're so minute. Tsaka guys, yung gusto ko yung Dragon City ba? Hindi pa. Candy Crush? Oo. Candy Crush ay lalaro ka. How many points ka na ng coins? I-win ka na ng surprise! Ito ako nalalaro ng Candy Crush. So like and subscribe. And Candy Crush is a big... At saka teka lang guys. Teka lang. Wait, teka lang. Wait, teka lang. Stay.